So the weather finally improved. The wind fell away far enough that even though it was a bit warm, I had an opportunity to get out and fly this rig. So in Acro, as I say, don't think I've flown this particular one in Acro before, so very keen to see how it went. So bobbing around a little bit, that's just me not being used to it so much, but straight away I'm getting in the 74 kilometers an hour heading out, and it's handling well. Everything seems to be ticking along nicely. So this original Bugs 3 frame is quite a bit lighter than the DJI F330 frame. I put another Speedy B 405 in, so I had hopes that even on 3S I could probably get a faster run with it. As it happens, I peaked out at 80k with this, but it was all feeling good. 24 satellites, battery going well, so I flew up the length of the field to try and turn around for a faster run. I think there might have, probably a light wind that way. So turning around, and 3 or 4 flips, and no reception. Here it is again, slow-mo. And then afterwards, here's the last good frame. We can see everything still being monitored. And here's the very last frame. The video had cut out, but I'm still getting telemetry, some telemetry from the drone. So these are the parts I recovered after the crash. The battery was pretty well intact. The foam around it did a great job of protecting it. It spattered it out. It was still connected to the drone, which was fortunate because the reason I found it was the beeper was still working, which is a bit strange because the earth wire had come off it, but I could press the button on my controller and hear it as I got closer. And here's where you can see the clean break on the arm. The top, the GPS unplugged itself from both the drone and from the board. In fact, here's the cable. Those 2 wires are off anyway. They're designed to be that way, just the 4 wires indeed, so no damage there. This idea, one of the wires has come off the flight control board, in addition to the earth wire on this one. Camera's intact, that mounting worked well. But really the thing is, all I can think is that there was a crack in that arm, or it didn't like 80 kilometers an hour. But I'm glad I got it back, but I think that's the end of my overpowering vintage. I mean, the motors will take 3S okay, but yeah, they're a pretty old bird, and I'll do the sensible thing and I'll build up a polycarbonate frame for this sort of thing, with flying with 7-inch or 7.5-inch props. So much for the autopsy.